The Tomplay free trial is the best way to discover everything Tomplay has to offer before subscribing to an annual plan. With the free trial, you can explore our entire catalog, thousands of interactive scores for all instruments and all levels, with more added every week. Each piece comes with high-quality backing tracks, and you can mute the main instrument to play with the rest of the band or orchestra. You'll also enjoy many other interactive features that make learning and playing your favorite songs fun and engaging. You can download scores into the app and play them offline as much as you like. Your trial works across all your devices. Just log in with the same Tomplay account. If you start your free trial on our website, you can manage or cancel it directly from your Tomplay account. Cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends, and you won't be charged. You'll still enjoy full premium access until the trial period is over. If you start the trial through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you'll need to manage it directly from your Apple or Google account settings. Please note, the free trial is available only once per customer. It is not offered during discounted promotions, and printing is not included. If you want to print right away, you can skip the trial and start a yearly subscription right away, which includes up to 48 prints per year.